And this is how city water purification works. Let's start with drinking water, which comes from surface sources like rivers, lakes, and reservoirs, or from underground wells or springs. Cylindrical intake screens are placed in a reservoir in such a way to best avoid ingesting silt from the reservoir bottom or floating material from the surface. A lift house with vertical pumps with coagulation and flocculation. Particles suspended in water like clay, sand, to make floc particles heavier and therefore even easier to eventually settle out. Microsand is added as the water is drawn through a special mixing tube with a polymer to help the sand stick. The now flocculated water flows through a set of baffles to slow its turbulence for the settling process. As the water travels upwards, heavy floc particles quickly settle to the bottom of the tank. In the ozone tank, ozone gas bubbles are injected into the flowing water through diffusers. The tank is divided, which slows the flow. When ozone is injected into the stream, the extra oxygen molecule can bond with contaminants or oxidize them, with various desirable results. For example, oxidized metals have a weaker bond with water and are therefore easier to extract. Oxygen also bonds with elements in virus or bacteria cell walls, disrupting their function and altering their surface charge and any other remaining contaminants. Water travels through a dense, layered bed of activated carbon granules and microsand. It's called activated carbon because the resulting engineered granules, which are processed from common materials like wood, coal, or even coconut husks, have a relatively huge surface area with many features and pores, giving ample opportunity for contaminants to catch or stick to the surface. Water passes through banks of ultraviolet light. UV light at various wavelengths can destroy or disrupt viral, bacterial, and other pathogens' DNA or cellular structure, effectively destroying them. The water is now ready into what's called a clear well for storage, or into the municipal system for use.
Join the live to learn more details.